Hello everyone, I am Salma Akhtar from Maan Technology and I have 5 years of experience as a graphic designer. Also, I am a mentor of graphic design course. Today, I will share with you what is graphic design, graphic designer career, graphic designers demand now and in future, why you will learn graphic design, etc. So, let's begin. Today's video is very important, so watch the video till the end. We will know first what is graphic design. Graphic design is a profession, applied art and academic discipline, whose activity consists in projecting visual communications intended to transmit a specific message to social groups with specific objectives. Graphic design is an interdisciplinary branch of design and of the fine arts. Its practice involves creativity, innovation, and lateral thinking using manual or digital tools, where it is usual to use text and graphics to communicate visually. The art and practice of planning and projecting ideas and experiences with visual and textual content, or we can explain easily graphic design, takes graphical and textual elements and implements them into multiple types of media. To better understand the meaning of graphic design, it is important to be aware of the elements and principles that make up design. Elements are used in conjunction or opposition with each other to create visually striking and impactful designs. The graphic design elements include color, form, line, shape, size, space, and texture. Graphic designers also adhere to the principles of design, which are essentially a set of guidelines that help a design achieve effective composition. These basic principles aid in creating balance and stability for the pitch of work. These graphic design principles include balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, proportion, and rhythm. That means graphic design has 6 principles. Types of graphic design. As mentioned earlier, there is no single graphic design meaning. Graphic design is composed of many fields and specialization ranging from print and web design to animate and motion graphics. Graphic design offers opportunities and options for individuals of almost any interest. Where is graphic design used? Graphic design used by companies to promote and sell products through advertising, by website to convey complicated information in a digestible way through infographics, or by business to develop an identity through branding, among other things. So the field of graphic design is huge. Why we learn graphic design? Promising career prospects, freelancing opportunities, financial gains, love for art and design, or just passion for creating. The point is, there is plenty of room for artists to express themselves in their work, whether it's through logos, branding, websites, prints, etc. There are just a few of the main reasons that bring millions of people to the world of graphic design. Huge demand and low supply. You will understand better if I explain it. Designers are needed because if a business is going to do marketing, then someone is going to need to design those artsy-fartsy marketing materials. If business keep expanding and new startups continue to appear, then graphic designers will always have plenty of work. Graphic designers also create and design graphics for various print and digital media, such as websites, banners, advertisements, brochures, magazine, and corporate reports. Therefore, going by economics, industry demand is driven by downstream markets, which include consumer goods, manufacturers, and advertisers. Over the 5 years to 2022, consumer spending has led to increasing corporate expenditures. This in turn has strengthened and increased the demand for graphic designers, who are commonly employed to create a brand image for new products and services. A glimpse on any job board will give you a good snapshot of the demand and limited supply. Next, take your work with you anywhere in the world. You have your portfolio and you are proficient in graphic design, so now you can travel with work. Graphic designers can work internationally just like hairdressers or a lifeguard. For example, since the software is the same anywhere in the world, clients all over the world need work done and the designer is the designer anywhere. A job for life and great money. With so many opportunities, chances are good that a graphic designer will always have a job. Economic problems can cause a rise in advertising and increase companies' needs to hire graphic artists. A job for life and great money. With so many opportunities, chances are good that a graphic designer will always have a good job. Economic problems can cause a rise in advertising and increase companies' needs to hire graphic artists. Graphic design will land you great money with those starting out regularly, seeing between 26,000 plus pounds. Volume of work and repeat business. Chances are, once you have secured work with a client, they will likely become valuable customers for other projects in their business. Some commercial websites will require logo designs, website construction, and checkout displays. Items and stock for e-commerce website, for instance, will need constant revision and to be updated accordingly, meaning more volume of work this sector. What's the future of graphic design? For the past decade, freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and crowdsourcing sites like massive disruption in graphic design industry. Some of the changes have been good. It's easier than ever to find a graphic designer, especially for small businesses. It's easy to break into the industry. Just make an account, and of course, Google has made it easier than ever to learn how to design. Graphic design is something that's crucial to all businesses. Not only do you need business cards, flyers, and postcards for print, but graphic design is also important in the digital world as well. Majority of business owners and marketers know content is king. However, the best kind of content contains far too many words and majority of users will end up walking away before they even finish reading. The page of article is too long. So the importance of graphic design will never decrease and will increase as the days go by. Is graphic design a good career? Obviously, graphic design is a great career for people who are creative thinkers and enjoy art, technology, and communication. There are design needs across every industry. So graphic designers have many opportunities to take on a range of new and exciting projects. It can also be a very fulfilling career as graphic designers can see the real world impact of their work. What is the career outlook for graphic designers? Graphic design is an important marketing tool. So a designer can add value to many workplaces. However, the demand for graphic designers does vary depending on the industry. Graphic designers in the publishing industry is declining. In computer systems, design and related services, however, the need for graphic designers is expected to grow as more companies continue to increase their digital presence. There are also many opportunities for graphic designers to branch out into other design fields. Graphic designers have many transferable skills which can help them transition into related professions such as UX design or web development. I think you will understand what graphic design is and how important graphic design is and how far we can progress if we select graphic design as a career. To get such useful videos, please subscribe the channel now and keep clicking on the bell button next to it first of all to watch our videos. If you like the video, please like, comment and share this video. So take care everyone, and I'm signing off today.